Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Deep Dive into Transformers. Understanding the Architecture. Imagine a super-powered sentence translator. Transformers are AI models that excel at understanding the relationships between words in a sentence. Much like a human translator considers the context of each word, we'll break down how they do it in a way that's easy to grasp. Think of reading a sentence. You don't just read word by word. You focus on the most important words related to the meaning. Attention in Transformers does the same thing. It lets the model weigh the importance of different words when understanding the sentence's meaning. It's like highlighting key phrases. Imagine each word in a sentence having a little chat with every other word. Self-attention allows words to attend to each other, understanding their relationships. This helps the model figure out the sentence's structure and meaning, even long complex ones. Think of an encoder as a translator taking the input, your sentence, and turning it into a code the model understands. The decoder then takes that code and translates it back into the output, e.g., a translation in another language. It's like translating English to French and back. Just like building a tall tower, transformers are built layer upon layer. Each layer improves upon the previous one, making the model's understanding more refined and nuanced. More layers mean more thinking power. Since transformers process words simultaneously, they need to know the word order. Positional encoding provides this information, like adding numbers to each word to show its place in the sentence. From Google Translate to ChatGPT, transformers power many applications. We'll explore some examples to show how this architecture is used in real-world scenarios. We'll cover simple code examples using popular libraries like PyTorch or TensorFlow to provide a practical understanding of how to work with transformers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.